Hi guy, so I found the solution why is that knocking clicking noise happen. I switched my wheel, the front wheel, to another set that I have spare, um, and it looked like it's the noise disappear. um, it's gonna I'm gonna do a test so you can see. It's not the bearing. I switched the bearing as well on the original wheel, and it's still making that knocking, clicking noise. So I'm gonna do a test and wait for that siren to go off, finish, and then I'll do a test so you can hear better. Here we go. No more noise. No more noise. No more knocking noise. So it looked like it's your wheel, your original factory wheel. One of them is defected. So hopefully you can resolve that issue. So the wheels are sitting on my trunk right there. That one is not good. For some reason I try and I wasted a lot of time to figure out the issue. Switch the bearing. You can see the bearing. I'm switching to over to the backfire bearing that I have spare, and it still make the noise. So that bearing came from the original wheel that I have here. Brand new wheel. I have see. So, and then when I switch to that wheel, is that bearing is still make the same knocking noise. So I am determined that the wheel is the issue. Oh, look at that. Not sure what happened there. Oh no. Oh yeah. So what's wrong with that? It's coming off. Something is not. So what's wrong with this wheel? Okay, I gotta free my hand and see what's going on. It looked like the rubber part came off the rim, or it doesn't look like it's sitting on the rim evenly. So